In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in PowerPoint. Transitions are a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and to add a bit of flair to your presentations. So whether you're preparing a slideshow for work, school, or a personal project, transitions can help your presentation flow more smoothly from slide to slide. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation or start a new one if you haven't already. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see several tabs such as Home, Insert, and Design. What we want is the Transitions tab, which is usually right in the middle. Go ahead and click on that tab. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the Transitions tab, you'll see a variety of options laid out in a grid. These are your transition choices, ranging from subtle fades to dramatic wipes and even more dynamic effects like curtains or vortex. To apply a transition, simply select the slide you want to apply it to by clicking on it within the slide sorter in the left panel, then click on the transition effect you're interested in. Immediately, you'll see a preview of that effect on your slide. If you're happy with the default settings, your job is already halfway done. But let's say you'd like to customize this effect a bit more. Beneath the grid of transitions, you'll find the Effect Options button. Click on this, and you'll be presented with additional settings that vary depending on the transition you've chosen. Some allow you to adjust the direction of a slide entering or exiting, while others might offer additional controls over animation characteristics. Take a moment to play around with these options to fine-tune your transition to your liking. Once you've selected and customized a transition, let's not forget to set the timing. Knowing exactly how long your transition should last can significantly affect the pacing and overall feel of your presentation. To do this, you'll use the duration box found in the Transition tab. This lets you set precisely how long you want the transition to take, in seconds. By adjusting this, you can have seamless short transitions or leisurely longer ones, depending on the mood you want to create. And if you happen to find a transition that you absolutely love and want it to apply to every slide in your presentation, there's a handy option called Apply to All, located right there on the ribbon. Click this option, and your selected transition, along with any custom settings, will be uniformly applied to all slides in your deck. That's it. You've just learned how to add and customize transitions in PowerPoint. Remember, transitions can definitely enhance the flow of your presentation, but moderation is key. Overdoing it might distract from your actual content, so find a balance that works for you and your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your next presentation.